guys, I'm here today to teach you the beginning of Eye of the Tiger with only single strings. So we're going to learn some new notes today. With all of the fret names, I like to teach you the note names for each of the frets. And once again, we're on the low E and the A string. So we're going to start out on the third fret of the A string, and that is called C. So third fret of the A is C. Then we're going to go to B flat, which is the first fret of the A string. Alright, so it's going to go between C and B flat. So it's going to go C, C, B flat, C. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, B flat, C. And then it's going to do that again. C, B flat, C. So 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C. Then it's going to go C, G, third fret of the low E string, and then A flat, fourth fret of the low E string. So C, G, A flat. Let's try that again. Ready, go. C, G, A flat. Let's try it again. All the way from the beginning. So C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat, 2, ready, again. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat. And I'm palm muting down here like we've talked about in some of my other videos. So just keep that palm up against the fret. It kind of mutes the string, muffles it a little bit. So let's try it again from the beginning, really slow. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat. One more time. And C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat. Alright, let's do it a little faster. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat, 2, ready, go. And another thing that you can do is this song, another easy thing, so this is kind of like an extra part of the lesson. If you have another person playing with you, you can let them keep 16th notes with alternate picking on just the C. So that's that part that you hear at the intro. Down, up on each note that you hear. And one of the other things that you want to notice is I'm accenting beats 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an accent is just where you play it a little bit louder. That helps you keep time, as well as it kind of helps you tell the difference between each one if you accent the main beats. So let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. That's just a little extra thing that you can do if you have another guitarist to play along with. But if I were doing that, I would start out really slow and just build up your speed as you play it. Let's go over that first riff one more time before we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, intro to Eye of the Tiger. Check out some more of my videos if you like them. Leave any videos that you would like to see in the comments, and be checking the description soon for some new news on a new course that I have coming out really soon. You want to get signed up for the email list because I will give you half off of the course, and you will be one of the first ones to have a lifetime membership once the membership site is up. See you next time.